At the end of this video, you'll know how to use the Parent-Guardian portal for minor clients. To begin, navigate to the parent's chart. This is where you capture the email address. Then you select the person with the X symbol at the top of the chart. The alert will ask if you would like to create a portal account for the parent. Selecting Yes will send the parent the registration information. The next alert will ask you if you would like to print the instructions that were just sent to the client in the email. Select Yes if you would like to print a copy of the instructions. Otherwise, select No. After they submit the application, it will be sent to the Admissions tab. To view the submitted application, select the Admissions tab in the bottom left-hand corner of BestNotes. The new window that opens is the Application Manager. To view the application, select the View option under the Action column. This will display the application, and everything that is entered is in red. After you have finished reviewing the application, you can select the Add to BestNotes option. The client information is listed first, and when selecting possible matches, you want to make sure that you are selecting the client and not the parent. If the client doesn't already exist in BestNotes, you can select Create New Contact. Here, you will select the Minor Test Radio button, and because you selected a client that has already been created, you will need to select whether to overwrite or keep options. If you select Overwrite, this will pull the information from the application into the client's chart. If you select the Keep option, this will keep the existing information within BestNotes and will only import the application to the activity log. Here, you will select the Overwrite option. You can then move down to any related contact and select the appropriate options for the related contacts. Once you are done adding the client and any related contacts, in the top right-hand corner, select Done. This will take you back to the application where you can review it further. Once you are done reviewing the application, you will select Archive and Lock. This will take the application out of the parent's portal so they cannot alter or edit the application. After you are done with the Application Manager, select the X. To see the information that was pulled in from the application, you can refresh the parent's chart by selecting the parent's name in the search results. You can also review the minor's information that pulled from the application by navigating to the minor's chart in BestNotes. The demographic and contact information are now updated, and so is the related contact information. You can also see that the application is saved in the activity log. If you need to send a document to the Parent-Guardian portal, locate the document within BestNotes. Add the Parent-Guardian as a signer, and then save, sign, and lock the document or Publish Snapshot, depending on the type of document. This action will save the document to the activity log. Because you are viewing this document on the minor client's chart, and the Parent-Guardian is the signer that has been added, you will not see the required signature button. Then in the Related Contacts area of the client's chart, select the two-person icon next to the Parent-Guardian's name and select the Web Portal checkbox. Select Save. Now that you have added the document to the activity log and you have given the Parent-Guardian the Web Portal permission, locate the document you would like to send, and then select the globe icon on that same line. Select the contact that you want to send the document to. When the selection is highlighted, this means that the document has been sent to the portal, and you can select the X to close the window. The Parent-Guardian will receive an email stating that they have a document to review in their portal account. By selecting the included link, they can sign into the portal and then review and sign the document using their portal password. Now you know how to set up a Parent-Guardian portal and how to send documents to the portal to be signed. If you have any questions about the parent portal, you can reach out to BestNotes support